Bitcoin breaking out 10,300, and let's see if it managed to close above this week here and this top here on the 10.5 at least this week, but we are going up. We are doing the same we did here or here, like here. So it's been quite simple, Bitcoin. It's just buying on the 21 moving average, like here, like here, like here, like here. As soon as it goes above it, and if it goes down, as soon as it goes above, just buy, put your stop loss with your management, 1%, 2%, 3%, whatever, and that's it. And it's been just, and this was just a nice bull flag going up, bullish formation. And we are still going up, and we for sure will close above and then clear skies until 10.8 and then 12k, sorry, 14 as well. So basically we are here already above this support, so the risk will be defined below, so you can put your stop losses below or various entries until the next support to give some margin. And this is the other top, so we have this top here, 12k, around 12, and then the 14k. So super bullish Bitcoin in terms of crisis, and as a safe haven with all the problems in the world, the pandemic, the States, China, trade wars, Bitcoin bullish. So this is the purpose of Bitcoin in the times of crisis. And that's it. So let's see if we manage to close the day above. If not, maybe we can come down to support again, and then this will be support on the 10k area here, here, until the 21. Of course, Bitcoin can do big moves up and down, so it's all about risk management. So what matters is making money. Doesn't matter where you get in. It's about controlling your risk. So I'll put the monthly chart, which I will say, I always said it, as long as we are above the 21, we are bullish, and we've been just going up. And as I said before, as soon as we go above the 21, even if we don't touch the 21, we can go just up, and we just come to the 12, and it's what happened here until the 20k, and it's super bullish. We are going up. The 12 was reached, and we are going up. We still can come down to test the 21, but maybe we just keep on grinding up or have a big move down. So we use the monthly for the resistance, so 10,900, this candle's close, it's 10.7 around here. This is the one. We also have resistance on these two candles close here, 10.5. We close above, we can go to 10.7 or higher. Then we have the 14k area, 13,800 here, and then of course the 20k on the top. All these weeks here are resistances, so we can use for like taking profits and then rebuy on the support. And yeah, super bullish Bitcoin, of course, risk management, because we can have a big fake down and come to test other supports below. So indicators pointing up on the weekly, on the monthly, still weekly. So we are 1 week to close above here, so it doesn't matter now, it's still a week to go. Indicators are pointing up. remember that we can have a big move down, so risk management is the most important thing. For now we are above this support here, and we are target is this one. If we close above the 10.5, then the next target is 11.6, and then this area here 13.5, 14k, then this big top here, and then of course the 20k. And level by level, this is extremely bullish, this movement now. So stop loss below, you can have various entries until the 21 here. Stop loss below. Depends on how you want to invest, or you can just buy as soon as we close above. Then we should come down a little bit to touch the 9.7. So this will be a buy. Here a buy 9.5, 9.4. Although if we close above, we can keep on pushing higher, but then for sure we will come to the supports, the top supports, not the low supports. And this is where you buy on the low time frame. So on the daily, we have the 21 here. The support is here now on the 9.7.5, and this top here, which will have a bounce for sure on the 10.7 or 10.80. And this area here also will have a bounce, 9.8, 9.9. So let's see if we manage to close above. If we don't close above this, since we are here, let's see, we might come just a little bit and come for the support. So buying is on the 21, as always. As we can see, as soon as we went above, we got this here, the buy. Then it came from the stop loss as soon as, then another buy. Two options, 2 times to buy before. So just keeping this strategy, and it's a simple strategy. 2 hours, the same, 21, breakout. Here we go. Here. But here we didn't have the confirmation, so no problem. We wait, and then you had the buys above. But here you had on the 12, so it's about understanding what we are doing. 1 hour. 21, breakout. Here you had the buy. This is where I bought as well. Easy stop loss here when I said on the video that you can put a stop loss here, here, or here, or here. You can have 1 entry, or you can have like 2 or 3 entries and the stop loss below here, here, or here. So the price is rejecting a little bit now. So let's see, we might come down the supports on the 1 hour are here. Easy to see this point of control. We have this one, the obvious, and then we have the top ones. So for sure we will bounce here on the top. I'm just opening a bit better to see. We have this area here. So we have this top, but this is stronger. The point of control is here. So let's see, we can bounce on all these for quick profits and take profits for scalping. And let's see what we do. This is 1 hour. So above all the support, so stop loss now it's here. Of course we have all these lines here until here, and this is already a long way. So let's see, depends on each one. And now, so, and also this was easy to understand because of all this resistance. First we confirm this one, and then here we always reject this yellow line, this trend line. Yesterday we closed above here. As soon as we did this, and this was the confirmation, really easy. These 2 candles give the confirmation for this big push-up. I did a short from here, but I sold almost everything here, and as soon as we start to do this, I closed it on profit, and now I'm on profit. Now it's time to take profit. As we can see on 1 hour, we are really above. So, but this now is support, this trend line is support, this one is support, this one is support, until we come to the 21 again, which is going up. So this is really bullish. Just be careful if you buy. Don't buy going up, wait for confirmations. And that's it. I'm putting the daily again, 13 minutes for the daily close. And now I will open this to see where we are in the chart. Now we are already above this. The target is the big one, this big trend line here, which at the moment, from where we are here, it's on the 11K, 11.200 more or less. So that's the target now. And I will take out, I will put these lines in dark so it's more easy to understand. That's the target above now. All these trend lines here are now support for after 2 confirmations above. At least we can go higher like we did on this one on the low time frames. Also in euros. Euros was very easy as well. The chart in euros, we have this channel up. And we had the confirmation here. We also had in dollars, but in euros, here, especially on 1 hour or 4 hours, I think, it was very easy. We had the confirmation here. Actually here. And then we had, of course, it came from the stop loss, then buy on the 21, move up. And we already confirming this trend line here above. So also here, as we see from the trend line, we had this fake out, but it recovered, and then it was the confirmation was here, or even here. And then one more time here. And then we were consolidating here, and then big push up. Many people thinking that might go down, but it's just following the lines. Very easy, 21 moving average, always pushing higher. And we got the top, so we are coming down. So we have to wait now for confirmation. So as we can see, so needs to close in 10 minutes or above here, or of course above here. But this is a big rejection already, but it can still go up. So let's see if this was the top and we have to come down. I'll take all the lines. So rejection, of course, it always happens. So let's see. So as I said, support now it's here, here, and then on the breakout area, which is the point of control, we have this wick here. So this is the big support now. With this wick, with this area here, we have many points touching here, support here, here. So this is the big support on this 8.7 more or less, from 8.7.5 to 8.7, all this area. Stop loss, various entries until the 20 here, stop loss below here until here. Everyone depends on each one. Of course, you can use the indicators and wait and never buy here and wait for the price to come down to test that. But you can miss many opportunities like for quick trades in the meantime. So that's it. Okay, so Ethereum also yesterday also gave like a good entry. So always the 21. We came to test. Here we got this confirmation from this trend line, and then we got the confirmation on that one. And then also the buys very easy above all the moving averages. We had the range here. This is where you should have bought. And then we had the 21, 21, 21, 21, 21.